How to add or remove NFC button to quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the pencil icon or the edit button. Next tap on edit. Then we go to the available buttons section and tap on swipe across. Then tap on NFC. So tap on that and it will be added to quick settings. Then tap on done. Then tap on done to save the changes. Now if you swipe down to open up the full menu, here you can quickly tap on NFC to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. If you want to delete or remove the button, just go into an edit mode. So tap on the pencil icon, then tap on edit. Once you are in edit mode, just tap on the remove button to remove the button, and then tap on done, then tap on done again, and that's it. It is now removed from the quick settings panel. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.